For a couple of weeks.
Okay.
Confuses the heck out of people.
Dan Bussani painted this blue square 3D image outside his mobility store to raise awareness for people with disabilities. According to a recent U.S. survey, 74% of Americans say they have witnessed accessible parking abuse with their own eyes.
People don't understand about parking. They don't understand about the difficulties it is with somebody with a disability. How do they get around? How do they get to the store? Where do they park? How do they get on a train? There's just almost any aspect of life is different. It's difficult, and the average Joe just doesn't they just don't get it. They don't see it. They don't take it into consideration in their
Mobility, who Bussani partners with, created this 3D handicap design called Drive for Inclusion. Its intent is to stand out, pop off the pavement, almost as if there were blocks in the road, hopefully preventing people without a disability from parking there.
This thing is supposed to stand out at them and almost give them a reason to ask the question, what is that? It'll start our conversation. It'll give us a reason to start talking about the problem, and hopefully one by one we can get our story out and get people to be aware of what's really happening.
This is the only 3D handicap parking sign in the state, but there are also roughly 12 dealers across the country participating in the Drive for Inclusion program.
Listen, if we could cover the world in the new Drive for Inclusion parking spaces, we would do it.
Mobility disabilities affect 1 in 8 adults in the U.S. Reporting in Smithtown, Allie Rosen, Fios1News.